Picture this. A mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto creates something that could change the entire world. What if I told you that this digital currency is not only redefining money, but also challenging entire economies? Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency ever invented that popped into existence in 2009 at the height of the financial crisis. A digital gold rush started. But hold on, how does this magic happen? Imagine a huge digital ledger called a blockchain, where every transaction is recorded and verified across thousands of computers around the globe. No middleman, no banks, just pure digital currency. But there's a twist. Each transaction requires enormous computational power, leading to a phenomenon known as mining. Mining consumes massive amounts of electricity. It's reported that it uses more power than entire countries. Isn't that mind-blowing? And it gets crazier. To date, around 20% of all bitcoins have been lost forever. That's billions of dollars, gone in cyberspace. And who could forget? The infamous Bitcoin Pizza Day. 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins in 2010. Today, those pizzas would cost over $100 million. So why is it so popular? Mainly seen as an investment, Bitcoin has made millionaires overnight. But critics reveal its dark side. Bitcoin has become synonymous with crime and money laundering. Several countries have banned it, fearing its growing power. Imagine being able to trade anything without any oversight. It sounds liberating, right? But it comes with risks. As Bitcoin entered the mainstream, it evolved into a digital asset. 2021, El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. What does that mean for traditional finance? But with great power comes great volatility. Just look at its price swings. It's been described as an economic bubble by many economists, yet Bitcoin continues to hold on. So what's next? In 2023, a new application on Bitcoin called Ordinals allows users to mint NFTs directly on the Bitcoin blockchain. Is Bitcoin the future? Is it just a bubble? Bitcoin's environmental impact is under scrutiny as governments signal potential regulations. Imagine the conflict between freedom to trade and responsibility towards the planet. And think about the wallet system. If you lose your private key, you lose access to your Bitcoin forever. What would you do if you lost millions because of a forgotten password? The journey of Bitcoin has only begun. As of now, you could say Bitcoin is like the Wild West, unregulated, filled with opportunity. But the question remains, how will the world adapt to this new decentralized currency? Let's dive deeper into the intricacies of Bitcoin's technology. The blockchain is not just a ledger, it's a series of blocks linked together cryptographically. Each block contains a number of transactions, and once a block is filled, it is added to the chain, making it immutable. This means that once data has been recorded, it cannot be altered without the consensus of the network. This incredible security feature is what has drawn many to Bitcoin. However, this also means that the energy consumption of Bitcoin mining has become a hot topic. Critics argue that this consumption is unsustainable in the long run, especially as the world grapples with climate change. Some innovative solutions are being proposed, like utilizing renewable energy sources for mining operations or transitioning to less energy-intensive consensus mechanisms such as proof of stake. Yet, these solutions are still in their infancy and face significant technological and regulatory hurdles. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continues to attract a legion of supporters who argue it is the ultimate hedge against inflation. In times of economic uncertainty, people turn to Bitcoin as a store of value, akin to gold. This narrative has gained traction as central banks around the world have adopted aggressive monetary policies, increasing the supply of traditional currencies. People are starting to see Bitcoin as a financial lifeboat. But with increased popularity, Bitcoin has also attracted scrutiny from regulators. Governments are concerned about the potential for tax evasion, fraud, and the impact of cryptocurrencies on monetary policy. As a result, many countries are exploring ways to regulate the cryptocurrency market. Some have embraced it, while others have taken a more cautious approach, aiming to protect consumers and maintain economic stability. The regulatory landscape is still evolving, and it remains to be seen how it will shape the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin continues to mature, we are witnessing the rise of a new ecosystem built around it. From wallets and exchanges to decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, the possibilities seem endless. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial systems using blockchain technology, allowing users to lend, borrow, and trade without intermediaries. This revolutionary movement is challenging the status quo and providing financial services to those who are unbanked or underbanked. However, the DeFi space is also fraught with risks. Many projects are unregulated, and the potential for scams and hacks is a real concern. Investors are urged to do their due diligence and be cautious when entering this new frontier. Another exciting development is the intersection of Bitcoin with the world of art and entertainment through NFTs. Non-fungible tokens have taken the digital world by storm, allowing artists to tokenize their work and sell it directly to collectors. This trend has sparked a new wave of creativity and entrepreneurship, but it has also led to debates about copyright, ownership, and environmental impact. The NFT market's rapid growth has raised questions about its sustainability and long-term viability. Meanwhile, Bitcoin continues to be a topic of discussion at the highest levels of government and finance. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are being explored by many countries as a response to the rise of cryptocurrencies. CBDCs aim to combine the benefits of digital currency with the stability of traditional fiat currencies. This could potentially reshape the landscape of money as we know it. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of a decentralized financial system. How do we ensure that it benefits everyone, not just a select few? Will it empower individuals or deepen existing inequalities? These questions are at the forefront of the conversation surrounding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. Bitcoin has sparked a revolution in the way we think about money, value, and trust. It has challenged traditional financial systems and opened the door to new possibilities. The journey is far from over, and the world is watching closely. Will Bitcoin evolve into a mainstream currency, or will it remain a speculative asset? Will it pave the way for a new financial system, or will it face insurmountable challenges? Join the conversation. What do you think about Bitcoin? Is it a necessary evolution in finance, or just a fleeting trend? The answers to these questions will shape the future of finance and technology for generations to come.